Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martha the Wifepreneur. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I talk about beauty, entrepreneurship, as well as social media growth. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a social media growth content. So we're going to stick to Instagram. So I'm going to share with you ways in which you can grow organically on Instagram. Let's get into the video. Number one way to grow organically on Instagram is to use or to create shareable content. Shareable content, I mean content that is readable, not only your pictures, but posts that have words on them. It could be inspirational, it could be motivational, it could be educational. So this type of content is easy for people to share. Maybe they know someone who may want to see that specific quote that you have for the day. They may share it to their stories, or they may send it directly to the person they think would enjoy reading or would benefit from reading that post. The second way to grow organically on Instagram is sharing the latest trend in your industry or in your niche. Look out for the latest information. Maybe Instagram is rolling out a certain feature. Be one of the people that is there to inform your audience, because they'll really appreciate it. The third way to grow organically on Instagram is what I call 10 minutes in, 10 minutes out. So what do I mean by this? This means that before you post, please try to engage on other social media, on other pages, on other Instagram profiles, on other Instagram pages, just so that Instagram can see that you are now active, your account is active, so that by the time you're going to post, people will be able to see what you have just posted, because Instagram will be with you. And also, don't stop immediately when you post. Post and continue engaging with other accounts. This is a good way to let Instagram also send people to your post, so that they may be able to see what is new and what you have posted. So make sure that after posting, you don't ghost your followers. Stay there to reply to their comments, to like their comments. Make sure you engage with the people on your post and also engage on other posts. The fourth way to grow organically on Instagram is posting at least 2 to 3 reels a week. Reels are the best feature that is going on right now, that Instagram is really trying to help us all grow, especially. So make use of reels. Like I've mentioned several times, reels help you to grow because they're rich. The fifth way to grow your Instagram page organically is by showing your face. Make sure you show your face on your feed and also on your stories. It's fine if you don't want to show your face in your feed, but at least keep it active in your stories, and at least have it on your profile, so that people may know that they're engaging with a real person who is just like them. Like I've said several times on this platform, on this channel of mine, people want to engage with people. They don't want to engage with robots. So they want to see how you also deal with things. They just don't want to see a perfect you, what you're posting every day on your feed. Give them a glimpse of your life. Maybe you decide to show them a day in your life on your story. It doesn't necessarily have to be all the time, but keep it short and simple. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next one. Take care.